Welcome back, guys. So, let's just do a quick recap with from what we were looking at last week. So basically, I'll just go to what we're looking at last week, and in the next video, I'll choose what we will be interested in for this upcoming week. So let me just do this. Yeah. So, last week we had a lot of pairs that were focused on. We had about eight or nine pairs in total. Then this is what happened. So, firstly, let me start with Euro GBP. I took two losses from this trade, from this pair, just because of the weak outs. As I thought, you can't avoid those weak outs. So I'm still interested in this pair. Why? Because it's still bullish, and you can see we are still at this same zone. So market just didn't do anything. It just did a proper retracement. That's it. It didn't push. I was expecting it to have this push, then now to even reject. So maybe I expect the next week to have the continuation to the upside now, the shift. So let's go on the daily. You can see the daily, we're having this nice, mind you, that other week we're catching sales from this pair. So imagine if you got those sales up to now, you just be holding a 1 to 7 risk to reward trade without doing anything. Yeah. So that's it. But we're here. So once market approached this level, what did I look for? You know, the same thing we look for. When market reached at this point, it made even a nice lower low, a nice lower high, and what. Yeah. And now let me put in the 30 minutes where I will look for possible, or 15 minutes possible entries. So you can clearly see that I've been drawn this. This is where I was waiting for my pair to give me what I was looking for. As you can see, the clear setup was after this market breaks above this line. You can see, because this is the higher, lower high and lower low. So once market broke above, it came and made a nice double bottom for me, which it took out and completely took out these three trades and made this nice even instead. I don't know if it's even in the morning formation with a bullish engulfing candle as well. Let's see on the 30 minutes time frame just to be a bit clear, see what really happened as well. So I'm sure even on the 30 minutes time frame, something interesting happened at the same point. Yeah, we had the same scene. Yeah, we can see we also had the nice double top, number nice double bottom, the nice engulfing. Yeah, and it even retraced back to give you possible entries. You can see this huge retracement. Yeah, so after that, what happened? I took the sales. Yeah, I took the sales, and this was not even, because my minimum is at least 1 to 2.5. Looking at the trade, I usually target 1 to 2.5 at least, but it didn't. But it was above 1 to 2. It was above 1 to 2. But the mistake I did, guys, was I made a mistake. I broke my trading plan. I was trying to trade before all this happened, because I thought if I can enter from here. And this is because, this is the bad thing of staying, like Monday I didn't trade, Tuesday I didn't take a trade. So Wednesday I was very anxious to take a trade. Like, I just have to take a trade, you see? So this is why now they say not every day is a trading day, because you would want just to trade so you can be in the market, you see? Not waiting for the market to give you the opportunities for you to participate in them. You see, that's the mistake I also made again. And that then caused me, because I entered at this level after seeing this engulfing candle right here. This one right here. Okay, now market to have the push, and I put my stop loss right below here. Then it wicked me out. Yeah, wicked me out. Then again here we just this was then now market broke below again, then made a new lower low. Let me put the 15 minutes time frame. You can see. So for this one, what I did was I was looking at the 1 hour. I'm sure, yeah. I was looking at the 1 hour. Yeah. Because I like the way, because market retraced back the same entry point, and it gave me a nice bullish engulfing candle this time. You can see this nice bullish engulfing candle. So after this happened, I entered the position and everything was going well. I was even up 1 to 2.5, 1 to 2.5, almost 1 to 2.5. But you know what? I know I can't get a 1 to 2.5. I really have to make sure I just get at least a 1 to 4 or 5 because of the loss I took here. So it costed me again. Yeah, and NZD, GB, USD, we didn't get the entry point. If you remember, we're looking for buys. And again, market has just closed at the same level. That's why these pairs, I'm still interested in them because nothing has really happened yet that can make me say, okay, no longer interested in the pair. The only thing that might kill us is if this thing can continue dropping to that level there, then we might look for sales. But for now, I'm still interested in the buys. Let me just, and I didn't take any trade because you can see once market reached here, it just didn't give me any entry signal. Look at this. So once market retraced back to this level, the first went retraced back to that level, it made this new lower higher low. Then market broke, came to retest. It didn't give us nothing. There was nothing that could have made us take the trade at this point. This is not what I look for. So I just simply didn't take the trade and avoided all this because I didn't even know where to put my stop loss. My stop loss was going to be all the way up to this zone here because this was the higher low that took out this lower high. So this was supposed to be my stop loss. And look, I can't even do anything at this point. So we just watched this market go all the way up without doing anything. Then it came back to the same entry point as of now. You can see we made um this new the 30 minutes, we made this new high lower high and it broke. It's now going to break it as you can see right now. This is almost breaking this. Yeah, because you can see once it broke above, but didn't when and it broke above with the same level and came to retest, but again didn't give us the entry signal. So it's like we've now retested this level, but we are now looking for the entry signal. Yeah. So that's what's going on right now. So what I expect is maybe the market to do something like this for us. Then we can buy based off this market structure the coming week. But that's it for that pair. NZD got the same thing. It just couldn't give me any entry signal. We're looking for buys. We're looking for buys. This was for the other week. So once the market opened on Monday, you can see market just went up. So this pair just simply did the same thing. You see, it went up, even though it broke this low. It made this new. It broke this level here, this one here, but I was expecting the retest and did nothing. Market came back to this level again, nothing. So now what I expect in NZD card is maybe a pullback to this same level again. Then we'll see if it will give us something because as of now, I really don't have anything. And again, we have to wait for this to shift also. So nothing there. GBP it gave us something. This was the trade that happened on Tuesday on Tuesday, this one right here, but I missed it because I wasn't just home. Because yeah, this trade, this was a 1 to 7 trade. This is the one we missed. So was our take profit was supposed to be here, right there. Yeah. But as you can see right now, this trade will continue going up. Just have to find ways to buy. So what happened? Market retraced back to this level, interest and had the shift. Then after the shift, what happened? When the shift happened, we had the break above the retest. Then we had the nice either you can use this as your entry, you can use this as your entry right now. But let me show you in 1 hour what happened because we had a clear set entry in the 1 hour time frame. We had a clear entry in the 1 hour time frame, not in the 8 minutes or 15 minutes. So you can see what happened right now. This was the lower low right there. This was the higher low and lower low. So you can see market broke, came to retest. So once it retested this zone, it gave us a nice tweezer top right here. This is a nice tweezer bottom. Sorry, two tweezer bottoms. Then it just went up. No drawdown. No drawdown. Just went up, bro. Yeah, and it came back to retest the level here. Then again, shifted the structure. I made some. I didn't even take this trade. I was just trying to see if you can catch this, just to see if the trade the my strategy really works. You can see it that shifted, retested, made nice pin bar, and again it went up. You see, all the way up. So we could have got two 3.85 trades without doing nothing. And so those are the trades I was supposed to take on Tuesday. You see, then on Wednesday, they were frustrated, wanted to take trades. That's when we got killed by the markets. So yeah, we took two losses in the same pair. Then Euro USD, I couldn't just get an entry. My entry point was this same level here right now. So this is the only thing I'm waiting for this market to turn bullish. If it can turn bullish, then I will be interested to buy again. Because this is where we're looking to buy at the initial level. Yeah, but I even like that we are now below, so at once we can start pushing. We won't be interested in dropping down here since it has already give us wicked out, rejected this level. Yeah, but this is what we have for now. We don't have any entry. So what I expect is maybe Monday to have that bullish push to the upside like that. Then it might be really set for the whole week with buys up to this level right here. And what else do we have? AUD card. AUD card, it didn't give us any entry. It even went to our lower high, almost hitting our lower high right here. And market just started rejecting at this same point. Yeah, so now we have rejected back. So I just need that small rejection to now sell since we are now below and we've rejected on the weekly, meaning we are respecting this head and shoulder right there. So this is very nice for us. So all these pairs, I'm still really into them. In fact, if I wanted, I can't even choose any other pair for this week because these are just solid. Then GBP card JPY. Card JPY, it retested the level that I was looking for, and it even gave me a small counter sale, which I didn't take. Again, I was just trying to see if it can comply and just go with my strategy, and it worked, you see. So we got this nice 1 to 3. Let's say if you are still holding, you would be still up 1 to 4. Bro, you still be up. I don't know, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 1 to 7. This is what I look for. Nice break, nice retest, nice signal, entry signal, another entry signal, then you're in. So for now, what I want is just this market to trace back to that zone. Then I'll be okay. But but for now, no. And yeah, no, I'm not trading this pair. That's it. So this is what happened. And oh, then that pair should be USD card. Yeah, USD card is what I was looking at. USD card, we are still waiting for the retest. The daily time frame shifted, but didn't just go back to where I wanted it to return. So as of now, I'm still waiting for this to happen. Then I'll take the nice buys. Yeah, and so that's it. But see you in the next video. We'll be looking at the next positions we're interested in and the other pairs will be taken. So we took losses this week. Yeah, so that's it, guys.